Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kriti Sanon here. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye for the gorgeous, for the beautiful Kriti Sanon. जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए, मन कर रहा है तो तालियां बजा दीजिए. Come on friends. कृति, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Okay, let me hand over the mic because I have a question for this gorgeous girl here.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Yes, what's your question?
Okay, so because Kriti is here, of course, this moment is very special, and we have a very special announcement that she's going to make. But before that, okay, Kriti, we all know you're very, very busy with your schedule, with your shootings, with your appearances, and there's one thing which girls love, and that's jewelry. So obviously, with your busy schedule, I'm sure you do not get the time to go to the stores and get your favorite jewelry. So let me go ahead and ask you, do you shop online?
A lot, and I think I've just gotten hooked to online shopping. That's something which I probably do while traveling, while sitting in my vanity van, when I'm just chilling at home even, because it gets a little difficult even with the busy schedule, and also sometimes you can't really go out to malls and you can't go out to shops. When it's raining, you don't really want to step out. So I think online shopping is the best thing which has happened in a few years, I feel. And it's so convenient, it's so easy. You can see all the various options in one platform, which is very easy, and just sitting at your home on your bed, you can do everything. So I am absolutely pro online shopping.
So one thing I know that Kriti is going to get hooked onto velvetcase.com. Okay, couple.
So I think it's time now. It's time now to actually have Kriti really bring together the 34 leading jewelers and designers that we're launching today. Kriti, if you can do the honors using an iPad that we'll just give you.
All right, so something's going to happen here, and let's see what those magic words and what those magic sight that we have here is going to do. All right, so Kriti has the iPad there, and she's going to go through the site. Ladies and gentlemen, your eyes on the screen here. Have a closer look. There, she's just visited the site, and she's trying to see as to what. Let me see what Kriti will actually go ahead and choose.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks brilliant here.
Wow. That's a lot.
I'm sure when she's going to go back, she's going to go ahead and get everything at home. Wow, that's very interesting. You've got some amazing designs here, as you can see, friends. Very simple. Go ahead, choose a designer.
I think.
So let's see what. Okay, I think she selected that. Okay, Kriti. So what have you selected?
This is Payal Pratap, and
right.
I love these earrings. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that.
It's Payal Pratap that she has chosen, and she's got some amazing designs there. Let's see what she will go ahead and buy. Friends, you'll get enough time to take her picture. As of now, I want you to focus on what she's doing here. It's quite simple. There she goes. She clicks there, and you get all the information about the design that she has chosen, as you can see on the screens.
Should I book this?
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, the history has been created, the purchase is already made. Taaliyan baja dijiye, come on friends. The gorgeous Kriti here has chosen this amazing earrings. So now you see. Oh, and she gets it already.
This is the fastest delivery ever I've ever got into my life. Thank you so much.
What is the couple?
Sure.
Let's just open it.
Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and see. Actually, is it going to happen
it's
that fast?
the same one. It is the same one.
Wow, so do you realize how simple it is to go ahead and buy your favorite jewelry online? I don't know whether it's going to come in a few seconds the way it has over here. There you go. Oh my God, congratulations to velvetcase.com for making it possible. Wow, glorious.
That's fine. Yeah, you can put it back in the box.
You want to go ahead and wear that, Kriti?
Yeah.
All right, my friends.
Keep it.
Zoda Talia baja dijiye, but that's what we've made possible. velvetcase.com for the entire world here. How simple, how easy. Leave your trips to the malls, leave everything. Just sit there and get your favorite design at home, sitting right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to move ahead and let's see what Neha Lola, whom we are launching today, has to say about this fantastic platform. Can we have the AV, please?
I started very young. I worked in export.
Everyone, Zordaar taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, friends, make some noise.